Welcome to ASMR Shana. Take a deep breath, relax, and prepare for a soothing journey into pure relaxation. Today, we have a special ear cleaning ASMR experience just for you. This session is designed to calm your mind, release tension, and give you the most satisfying tingles. I'll be using a variety of gentle tools to create soft, delicate sounds that will bring you peace and comfort. You'll hear the gentle brushing of cotton swabs, the light tapping of an ear pick, and the soothing whispers guiding you through each step. Every sound is carefully crafted to trigger deep relaxation and help you unwind. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a peaceful place. Perhaps a quiet spa, where every touch is light and intentional, or a cozy candlelit room where everything feels warm and safe. Let yourself sink into the experience as I begin with soft, delicate strokes around your ears. Pause for a few seconds to enhance the immersive effect. I'll start by gently brushing around the outer ear, clearing away any stress you might be holding onto. Listen to the soft swishing sounds, like a gentle breeze passing by. Now, moving a little deeper, I'll use a fine-tip tool to softly trace along the ear canal, creating light, crisp sounds that will send tingles from your head to your toes. Slowly introduce tapping and light scratching sounds for variety. As I continue, let yourself drift deeper into relaxation. Imagine all the stress of the day fading away with every delicate motion. Your mind becomes clearer, your body feels lighter, and all that's left is this moment of pure tranquility. Whisper softly. You are safe. You are relaxed. You are at peace. Now, let's move to the final stage, gently massaging around the ears to create the perfect balance of relaxation and tingling sensations. Feel the warmth, the softness, the comfort of this moment. Slow down the sounds, gradually fading them out. I hope you feel refreshed and calm after this session. If you enjoyed this experience, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how this made you feel. Thanks.